Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone downloaded photos not appearing in gallery. Don't worry, follow those simple step-by-step fixes to see your pictures. Step 1. Check the download location. Open File app, make sure the photo is fully downloaded and saved to iPhone storage. Photos saved in third-party apps may not appear in gallery automatically. Step 2. Check iCloud Photos Sync. Go to Settings, then search for Photos, tap on it, then iCloud Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is on. If using optimized iPhone storage, connect to Wi-Fi and wait for sync. Step 3. Restart the Photos app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and close Photos app completely. Then reopen the app and check the Recents or Downloads folder. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary app glitches. Step 5. Check storage space. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Ensure you have enough free space. Low storage can prevent photos from saving to gallery. Step 6. Turn off low power mode. Go to Settings, then Battery, then turn low power mode off. It may block background process like photo saving. Step 7. Check app permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Photos. Make sure the app you downloaded from has permission to save photos. Without permission, photos won't appear in gallery. Step 8. Update iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Install any available updates. Updates fix photos, app and file saving issue. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.